and lay it down. Just like this. We got some more batter going. Like that. It's gonna spread out. And we come back through with some breakfast sausage all the way across. This nicely grilled, hot still. Little maple syrup, just like this. And some nice diced cooked potatoes all the way. Spread them out nicely. Come through with another layer, this delicious crispy bacon, and we lay it right on top. Let's get some more pancake batter. Let that spread down. Pancake lasagna, guys, for the first time ever. You're gonna love it. Check it out. Eggs. Again. Beautiful. Get a pinch of salt on that. And another layer of this bacon right here that we're using for our bacon lasagna. Some delicious potatoes already cooked. Let's go ahead and spread them out. And the last layer of our pancake batter. So go over these all the way around. And we are off to the oven. This is going to be delicious. Check it out. It's a time saver for the family and the friends. Let's go. And just like that, you have breakfast for the whole crew. Guys, in 20-25 minutes, we'll be right back. And for the leftover batter, let me show you a nice little hack. Follow me. And it goes just like this, whether you have ice trays or muffin trays at home. If you have a little bit of fruit and some leftover pancake batter, you can just kind of randomly put some fruits in there. All the way, guys. It doesn't matter where they go. Get your leftover batter. Guys, you can freeze this for up to 2 to 3 weeks. Wake up in the morning, throw these on your grill, and have some nice little pancakes. Personalized. Let's go. When you're ready to enjoy these personal pancakes, guys, all you gotta do is put them on your pan, cook them, and they're gonna melt until they're ready. There we go. Now we're gonna take this out and get on the road. Look at this beauty. Let's go this way. And just like that, we got breakfast and or brunch, guys, for a whole family or a group of friends. Look at that butter melt. Look at that butter melt. And cut these edges real quick, just like this. Should be ready. Go ahead and grab a little spatula, guys, and bring my piece out of here. Carefully. There we go. Baby, it is hot and steaming. Look at all that bacon. That is for me. Get a little drizzle on there. Nice. And let's top it off. All you gotta do now is enjoy. Cut them, serve them up, friends or family. You got 10 in 1, baby. Enjoy. Go ahead and get a piece. Look at that. Bacon, egg, delicious. Wow.